Why does your scanner show the P0522 engine code? What does it mean? P0522 is a diagnostic trouble code for the engine oil pressure sensor or switch circuit low voltage. This error code indicates an engine oil pressure sensor or switch circuit low input. This means the vehicle's computer is detecting a voltage signal from the oil pressure sensor that is lower than expected. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty engine oil pressure sensor. Wiring issues. Low oil level. Incorrect oil viscosity. Oil pump problems. Blockage in oil passageways. Faulty PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Dodge, Saab, Pontiac, Chevrolet, GMC, and Buick. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.